Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will cover practical number 4, that is recognition of buttons of the mouse. Dear students, in this practical we recognize the buttons of the mouse. Dear students, mouse is a pointing input device. It controls the cursor on the computer screen. Dear students, we already know that mouse is an input device. It controls the cursor on the monitor screen. It has two buttons, left button, right button and a scroll wheel. Dear students, this side of the mouse is left button and this side of the mouse is right button and the center is scroll wheel. Let's check this button on the mouse. Dear students, mouse seems like this. Dear students, it has two buttons. This side of the mouse is left button and this side of the mouse is right button and this center part is scroll wheel. The mouse actions are given below: point, click, right click, double click, drag and drop and right drag. Dear students, in this practical we covered first three actions: point, click and right click. Now we will do mouse of actions practically in the computer. The first action is point. Dear students, when you move the mouse on the desktop, which move the mouse pointer on the screen, this is an arrow on the screen which is called mouse point. And the second action is click. Dear students, in click we are going to use the left button of the mouse. A click is a press of the mouse button. Clicking is often done to select something on the screen like this. I am going to select this file. Left button click. And the third action is right click. Dear students, the right click is same as the left click or click. Right mouse button is used like this. This right side of the mouse button is used. For example, if I am going to select this file, I am going to press the right click of the mouse button. Dear students, the right click provides additional functionality to a computer's mouse in the form of drop down menu. You select any function here. Also we can say the right click display a list of the commands. Now dear students, in this practical we covered buttons of the mouse and the mouse actions. First three actions we covered. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.